Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Contact non-linearity covers the change in structural stiffness and load path as bodies begin to touch or move apart from one another. Contact non-linearity can exist in a number of different forms depending on the overall analysis intent. These can range from glued contact, where two bodies are permanently in contact, general contact, where bodies can move into contact or apart from one another, or self-contact, where a body can touch or move apart from different regions of itself. All of these methods can be set up in an intuitive manner with specific result output such as normal and frictional stresses and forces available to ensure robust response. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses and we hope to see you on a course really soon.